Do you want to know how you can search your files in Fliki? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for your files in Fliki. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to fliki.ai. Log into your account, and if you have created or started a project, you can go and search for your project by clicking in the search button which is on the right hand side of your screen. You can see the search after you load Quickie, and then you can search for the name of your project and then you will get it. This was a video on how you can search for your files in Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.